Hi, this is Insurmount.
Oh no, my shirt is on fire. Let's make some new shirt. So as you can see in the intro, a lot of shirts and other clothing get destroyed when making Insurmount videos.
So we bought a bulk of sturdy t-shirts that can handle Insurmount life.
However, these shirts are plain and boring, so we thought might as well print them with our own design.
And we've already got 100 subscribers. So we're basically famous, and famous YouTubers need their own merchandise.
So let's get to it. Obviously, we want a shirt with our own logo on it, so we have a shirt version of the logo. We also want to do something a bit more aesthetic. Eventually, we came up with this idea, which is flames from the Insurmount. I mean, fire is sort of our thing now. You have text on it. We just sent this over to the printer, so that should arrive in the mail tomorrow.
We got the print in the mail, and as you can see, it's printed beautifully. We're going to attach it right there with the duct tape, and then it's going to be not duct tape. That's what we're gonna do.
We're going to use screen printing, and therefore we've got this screen.
We have this photo emulsion, which is super sensitive to light. We need this to make the prints, but it also means that we need an entirely dark room to use it. So we are going to turn our workshop into a dark room. Let's go. So the room is very dark right now. You probably can't see anything on the camera. I can't see anything either. Luckily, yellow light doesn't expose the emulsion, so we can use that to see and also to film.
So now it's time to spread the emulsion over the screens so we can let the emulsion dry.
So we're filling this up.
Print is on screen, and everything that is not covered with ink will be exposed to the light, so our print will be washed out after the exposure.
Right? What? 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, light in 3, 2, 1.
A few minutes later.
That's the exposure done. Now we have to wash out everything carefully. Looks like nothing has happened, but as soon as we grab some water, we'll just get it a bit wet. And then that's literally the best place for it to get damaged. Okay, this one is ready. You can see it. I'll turn it around so you can see what it looks like.
Oh, that's gonna be great.
That's gonna be great. So that's this one. We have to do one more, but we're gonna do that before the battery runs out because we can't leave this room before we're ready. So see you after that's done.
Right.
Both of the screens turned out really well. There's a few things we have to cover up with tape so ink doesn't go through, like for example these spots here, so there. But before we do that, we want to let them dry entirely out in the sun for like 10 to 20 minutes.
And go swimming.
Yeah.
That's good.
There, bird! Where? I don't know!
After a refreshing swim in the pool, before we can print, we have to cover up all the areas where no emulsion is left. So for example, we put a bit of tape here, so that means the emulsion washed out underneath the tape. We have to cover it with this stuff, which is a special screen safe tape, which won't damage the screen and will prevent ink from passing through.
Oh, is this too short? It's not. I was just being worried for no reason.
Let's get printing. There's some ink on the screen. First, we're printing a test rag. So just to see how it goes, what it looks like, what we need to do, get the technique under control. And after that, it's time for shirts. So I'm just gonna give it a go. that might be it.
Okay, lift it.
Awesome.
Nice.
Oh my god. That's
very
so cool. So now, like, it's time to iron it to get it to stick. Like this. So we cover it with a bit of non-stick paper, and then we have to iron it for like a good bit of time to activate the binder in the ink. This is so cool. Drop it in.
Is this the font?
This is the font. So I guess just go for it. Yeah.
Yeah. Hold the shirt.
Hold the string and slowly build it up. Okay. So
So the logos are working out pretty nicely. Us wearing one right here. And now we're gonna put the text. We've got it right there. The Insurmount with a flame. That's gonna be on the sleeve. So we're gonna try that right now.
okay. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, we'll move
And
it.
then very slowly move it up. Yeah, that's perfect.
That is beautiful.
So now we have to iron this and number there.
The shirts are done, and I am amazed.
Yeah, I didn't expect it to be this good for something we've handcrafted.
If you like them as well, you can now buy them on Insurmount.com or by following the link in the description. They are just 12.5 euros each.
Yeah, and it really helps supporting our channel because even though we try to make our videos budget, it's still way too expensive.
And maybe if we sell enough, in the future we can do even bigger projects.
Nice. Hi, if you like this video, please consider subscribing or leaving a like. If you have any ideas for a future project, please leave them in the comments below. Bye!